It's gonna require some factoring. Here we go. A minus 4 over a squared minus 2a minus 3 times a plus 1 over a squared minus 2a minus 8. All right. Can you do anything to the top one? The a minus 4, could you take anything out? No. Nothing in common. Can you tell what kind of factoring's in the second one? Simple. So I can make 2 sets of parentheses. I have A and A. And what numbers multiply to 3 but give you 2?
3 and 1.
3 and 1. So 3 times 1. Now, would you have to add or subtract those to get to 2?
Subtract.
Just subtract. Now, I need the bigger number to have this negative sign. So it's going to be negative 3, positive 4. Again, this is something you should already know how to do by now. Just simple factoring. Then we go to the third piece. I can't do anything with a plus 1, so I'm just going to rewrite it. And then the fourth one, what kind of factoring? Simple again. So I'm going to have A and A. And what numbers multiply to 8 but can give you 2?
2 and 4.
2 and 4. With 2 and 4, I have to subtract them to get 2. So again, my bigger number needs that negative. So negative 4, positive 2. After you have everything factored, you have to see, do you have any common expressions?
Yeah.
A minus 4.
A minus 4 here, 1 on bottom, 1 on top,
And the A plus 1.
and a plus 1. Again, 1 on bottom, 1 on top. So what do you still have on top?
1.
A 1. That's the placeholder. You got to show you have something up there. And what do you still have on bottom? You have
A minus 3 and A plus
3.
2.
That's gone, and an A plus 2. Do not FOIL those back. If you FOIL them, then it's not simplified. That's as far as you can get. Okay. So again, it's just like what we did Thursday, it's just 2 fractions instead of 1 fraction.
So that's not going to be a squared plus x plus 6 or minus 6?
A squared minus A minus 6, yes, but you don't FOIL it. Do not FOIL because then it's not simplified to its furthest point. Simplifying means
Okay, so
factor.
we're leaving it.
Yeah, leave it like that.
And our one is just the placeholder.
Yep. All right, let's try another. Now they're all simple. Did you get that copied? See if you can go through and factor each of them. They're all just simple factoring. Just practicing from your last test. At least one thing needs to cancel.
In the whole problem.
Mhm. Few more minutes.
You just counted up all your A's.
Hmm?
You just counted up all your
Yeah, I
A's.
just got it ready, so I don't have to waste time with that.
And you can cross cancel on the top.
I haven't factored anything yet. I haven't started the problem. I just put the A's in, so I don't have to sit there and add all the sets of parentheses. Okay. Let's see how we're doing. With the first set, numbers that multiply to 24, they give you 2.
6 and 4.
6 and 4. And I know the bigger number here needs the negative because I'm subtracting them. So that would be the first part. Then the second one, numbers that multiply to 20 but give you 9. 5 and 4. We have to add them this time, so they both need to be positive to get that positive 9. Oh, I already see something that cancels. The third one, numbers that multiply to 10 but give you 3. 5 and 2. 5 and 2.
And
And
back on the first one, where did you get your 5 and 4?
because 5 times 4 is 20, but if you add them, you get 9. So you're just looking at this bottom part when you're factoring. Then this third piece, we said numbers that multiply to 10 are 5 times 2. We have to subtract them, so the bigger number here needs the negative. This one needs the positive. And then the last set, what are your two numbers that multiply to 12 that give you 4?
6 and 2.
6 and 2. And again, you have to subtract them, so bigger number needs the negative. If this part is still hanging you up, you need to practice simple factoring. You need to go back to 5.2 and 5.3 and practice your factoring, because that's where it's coming from. Do you see anything that cancels?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. Let's see. We've got the A plus 4s. One on top, one on bottom.
A minus 6.
Yep. A minus 6, one on bottom, one on top.
A plus 2.
And A plus 2, one on top, one on bottom. Here, these do not cancel. One's a negative, one's a positive. They don't go together. So on top, I still have an A minus 5. And on the bottom, I still have an A plus 5. Again, remember, these two on top are connected. These two on bottom are connected. They cannot cheat on each other and try to cross out the 5s and cross out the 8s. It does not work like that. So that is your final answer.